Hello, it's Ivor and I'm trying out the right and wrong technique makeup from this video. So let's start with the wrong technique of applying the foundation. 无效底妆, it means that non-effective foundation. Yeah.
Ineffective step 1, foundation. Dab foundation all over your face and blend it out with Beauty Blender. The foundation is uneven on the edges, blemishes are still prominent. Looks cakey, flat face and uneven skin tone. Effective foundation. Lightly pat on the foundation on face using finger.
How much of a difference can you make?
Only dab it out. This will make your base stay cakey, flat face and uneven skin tone. Effective foundation.
I mean, she kind of skipped the concealer part for the ineffective makeup, right?
Use Beauty Blender to gently dab it out. This will make your base stay on better and longer.
Okay, I noticed that she doesn't actually put the whole triangle concealer. She just put it on a dark spot, a little dab like this, and here.
Place the brush tip at the darkest spot and blend it out. To narrow her nose bridge, she will add concealer to side of her nose. This makes your nose look clean and smaller. And sharpen the center of your face. Then put on some setting powder, base is done. Let's look at the comparison.
So use your hand to apply your foundation and then Beauty Blender dab evenly, and then use a brush to apply your concealer only on dark spot, not the whole triangle.
Effective step 2, contouring. Do not understand your face shape using the wrong contour technique that is not suitable for your face shape. It does not help with correcting your face shape, but emphasize your flaws even more. Effective contouring. Understand your face shape. She says she has high cheekbones, flat chin and prominent masseter muscle. So she needs to correct all this by contouring. Apply contour at the highest point of your cheekbone. Blend it in inward direction. This will pull your cheekbones in visually, same as the masseter muscle, blend at inward direction. For chin, add shadows at both sides of your chin to sharpen your chin. Time to compare. Ineffective step 3, eyebrows. Drawing out the frame and fill them in. Looks unnatural. Flat brows on flat face will not refine your features. Extend the end of brows excessively will make your eyes look wider apart. Effective eyebrows. Understand the brow shape suitable for yourself. Arch brows are more suitable for rounded face or flat features. Add strokes at the front of your brows. This can set your eyes closer to each other. Look, this really makes a big difference.
To find the arch point, you gotta do like, the first part is gonna be here, arch is here, and here. And then gotta trace 2, upper point, this. Once you've drawn the lines, you just gotta fill up the gap and pow! And extend a little bit to fit your eye shape. Not too long because this is too long, right? It looks like the eyeliner and the eyebrows are gonna connect. No.
Look, this really makes a big difference.
Girl, you're going too fast.
Ineffective nose contour. Adding too much shadows at the sides of your nose to narrow your nose bridge. Your nose did turn out to be higher, but the tip of your nose become bigger. Drawing a straight line from nose root to the tip of your nose. Wrong. Looks unnatural. Effective nose contour. Divide into 3 steps and blend out evenly. Add matte highlighter to brighten up nose bridge and nose tip. Do not overdo your nose bridge if you have a bigger nose tip.
I don't get this part because once you blend it out, it's gonna be the same anyways. I find it funny because she said don't overdo your nose contour too much. All of these steps is overdoing for me.
Ineffective step 4, eyeshadow. Using the wrong steps for your eyes. Start from the front to the end of your eyes, taking shades from the lightest to the darkest. Putting too much eyeshadow at the end of your eyes, making your eyes look wider apart. Adding shimmery shade under your eyes but still can't create the natural jelly rolls under your eyes. Filling in your eyeliner like this can't help to enlarge your eyes. Effective eyeshadow. Understand your eye shape and estimate the region that is needed to apply eyeshadow. If you have wide set eyes, focus to blend your eyeshadow out at the front of your eyes. Or you can apply darker shades instead. This will create the effect of making the eyes distance closer. She says she has filled an eyeliner for both upper and lower lash line, but not the inner corner. So you can see her eyes are still quite wide apart. Now you need to draw a line in the inner corner. As you can see now, her eyes look more natural. However, this technique does not apply for all girls. Those who have closer eyes distance, this will bring both of your eyes even closer. Makeup beginners usually do not notice the importance of mascara. She put on mascara for her left upper lashes. If you do not have full lower lashes, you can fake them by drawing few strokes below your eyes. This step makes your eyes look natural because it makes your eyeliner looks less harsh. Remember to take darker eyeshadow to add shadow below your jelly rolls. This step helps to enlarge your eyes and shorten the length of the center of your face. Before and after. Ineffective makeup step 5. Lips. Filling in the lip product according to the shape of your lips. Effective lips. Use a lighter shade to set as a base. Smudge out the upper lip. Layer darker shades. This helps to look younger and shorten the center of your face. Ineffective makeup step 6. Blush. Putting light shade blushes at the center of your face makes you look old and fails to brighten up the center of your face. Moreover, if the color tone of the blush and lips doesn't go well together, it will make your makeup looks messy and overall. Effective blushes. Matching the tone of your blush with the shade of your lip. Apply on the side of your cheeks to brighten up the center of your face.
Okay, I think I'm done. It's crazy how much of a small technique can change your whole makeup. Okay, now I'm just gonna wipe off the left side and do a full face with the right technique. Okay, this is the final look of the right technique. Personally, some part of it I don't really understand, like it doesn't really make sense to me until I actually apply it. Like the lips technique, at first I didn't understand like why would I want to put a lighter color and then the darker color, like how is that gonna make sense because the darker color is gonna cover it up. But apparently it's making my lips kind of looking plump. So by just putting one color as a first layer on top of your lips, it's gonna be like flat saturated lips, so it doesn't have a layer on top of it. The eyeshadow kind of makes sense because you gotta understand your eye shape in order to get the best eyeshadow shape for you guys. The nose contour technique, I still don't really see any difference because my nose is still looking fat as hell. But the rest of the techniques, like my eyeshadow completely changed how I look, and also my eyebrows, love that technique, and also the contour and the blush. I learned so much on this video. It is true that we have to find someone of the similar race or the same race, have the same type to understand what kind of makeup we can go for. I can't be watching Migi tutorials and apply her technique on my face because it's gonna be different skin tone and techniques. So yeah, this makeup techniques kind of cater to Asian and also people who likes Asian makeup, because like some Asians, they prefer like American kind of makeup, so they tend to do a lot of like crazy eyeshadow. So by all means, just go for that. But if you want to go for a natural look to enhance your face feature, this is the way. And I also like how the fake eyelash. Okay, that's all I got for you guys. If you guys have any questions, just leave comments down below and like and subscribe if you liked, or I know I can't force you to do anything. Okay, thanks. Bye.